Galaxies, black holes, the mysteries of the universe, they never cease to amaze, do they? Get ready for a revelation that may change our understanding of the cosmos. NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, in conjunction with the Chandra X-ray Observatory, has made an intriguing observation of galaxy UHZ1. This revelation challenges the traditional understanding of how supermassive black holes form. The black hole in UHZ1, estimated to be between 10 million and 100 million times as massive as the Sun, may have originated directly from primordial gas clouds rather than from dying stars, as previously thought. This finding, if confirmed, could indicate that supermassive black holes can be born big from the beginning, rather than growing over time through mergers of smaller black holes. Investigations continue as we strive to fully understand the formation of supermassive black holes in the early universe. Stay tuned for more cosmic insights.